today we'll talk about how can you select your origin on your hotels.com app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on account down here. When you just click here on account, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on security in settings, you just click on it here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just come here to origin here, just click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here, and there can you select your origin here on your hotels.com app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.